Hello students, in this video I am going to prove you Thales theorem, very simple one. Let us see the statement of the Thales theorem. In any triangle ABC, if a line drawn parallel to any side, that line will divide the other two sides in equal ratio. That is the statement of Thales theorem. We call the Thales theorem as basic proportionality theorem also. Okay. So I have taken triangle ABC and I have drawn a line DE parallel to side BC. So these two are parallel lines. Now what we have to prove, this line DE divides the line AB and AC in equal ratio, means AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. That is what we have to prove. Now we have here some construction steps. Now draw perpendicular DG from D to the side AC and draw perpendicular EF from E to the side AB. So this is also perpendicular. Now join BE and CD. Join BE and CD. Now okay, now you observe two triangles here, triangle EDB and triangle DEC. These two triangles lying on the same base DE and between the two parallel lines DE and BC. The two triangles lying on the same base between two parallel lines will have equal area. So we can write area of triangle EDB is equal to area of triangle DEC. Area of triangle EDB is equal to area of triangle DEC. Now I am dividing this equality with the area of triangle ADE. So dividing with area of triangle ADE. So area of triangle EDB upon area of triangle ADE, triangle ADE is same as area of triangle EDC, DEC upon area of triangle ADE. Now you know the basic formula for the area of triangle, half base into height. If you see the area of triangle EDB, if I take the triangle DB as the base, then the height will be EF. So half base into height. Base is DB into height. Height is EF. This is the area of triangle EDB, for which I have made DB as base and EF as height. Area of triangle ADE. For the triangle ADE, I will take the base as AD and height as EF. So half AD into EF. That is what I have written for the areas of the two triangles. Similarly, for the triangle area of triangle DEC, I will take the base EC as base and height as DG. So I will write half base into height. Base I have taken as EC into height is nothing but DG. Now this time the area of triangle ADE, I am writing the base as AE and height as DG. So half AE into DG. Now if you cancel the like terms here, EF will get cancelled, half also gets cancels. Here also half gets cancels, DG also gets cancels. So DB by AD equal to EC by AE. Now if you reciprocate this equation, what you get? That implies AD by DB is same as AE by EC. This is what we have to prove. The line DE divides the other two sides AB and AC in equal ratio. That is AD by DB equal to AE by EC. This is nothing but the Thales theorem. So I hope you understand the proof of this Thales theorem. Good luck. Now we are going to see the corollary of the Thales theorem. A triangle ABC is given, and it is given that DE is parallel to side BC. Then by Thales theorem we already know that AD by DB equal to AE by EC. That always happens, but besides that we have another condition in the Thales theorem's application, that is AB upon AD is same as AC upon AE. We have to prove that condition. That is called the corollary of basic proportionality theorem. Now I have written what is given in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. So by Thales theorem just now we have seen the condition AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. Now I have taken the reciprocal of this one, DB upon AD equal to EC upon AE. Now adding 1 on both sides, DB upon AD plus 1 equal to AE plus reciprocal EC plus AE, EC upon AE plus 1. Now taking the LCM, what you get? AD plus DB upon AD equal to AE plus EC upon AE. But AD plus DB is nothing but AB. So AB upon AD equal to AE plus EC will become AC. So AC upon AE. So this is also the another form of Thales theorem. So you can apply this condition also wherever it is necessary. This is called the corollary of basic proportionality theorem. I hope you understand my complete video. We will apply these conditions in the coming videos in problems. Okay, good luck.